Welcome to Lombok. We picked up the car and hit the road, headed straight for the heart of the island. Lush landscapes, winding roads, and that feeling of adventure as we begin our drive through Lombok Centre. This is where the journey truly begins.
Focus our eyes on the journey, stepping into the unknown, waving goodbye to our memory. So we run wild and free.
We've just arrived to Tetebatu and now we don't have accommodation booked or anything, so now we're looking for something that doesn't matter, homestay, hotel, which I don't think there's going to be any hotels. So we're just looking for somewhere now where we can stay the night for 2 nights here we're staying. So we can just space ourselves and then just do what we need to do around. This road is so narrow. We're just keeping an eye out now for somewhere to stay. We just passed one, but Gary didn't stop, so hopefully we'll find another one soon. Gary just drove straight past it. He was daydreaming. Ooh, whoa. Whoa. There's quite a few places here, like homestays here, so we've just got to pick one that we like.
And we can fit the car in.
Yeah. It's so narrow, the streets are so narrow. Okay, let's go see if they've got room for us here. Accommodation?
Yeah.
Do you have accommodation? Oh God, this is going to be hard. Place to sleep?
Room.
Room.
Bungalow.
Bungalow.
Yeah?
Yeah, do you have a vacancy?
Yeah, we have.
Vacancy?
Oh, the bungalow.
Bungalow.
Bungalow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You for
two-
there, yeah?
two
Two
nights.
room.
One room?
One room,
One
2
room.
nights.
Yeah.
Okay, we have.
Okay. I don't know how we're going to get our luggage to our room, but anyway, we will cross that bridge shortly. Very pretty though. Holy dooly, maybe we should have packed light gas. I don't know how the hell our luggage is going to get down here. This room was 200 rupiah a night, which is just under $20 a night Australian. So come on, I'll show you it. So you've got your outdoor seating, looking out at this beautiful view of all the rice fields. And you've just got your bed, mosquito, you've got a fan, and then you come into the shower, got your bathroom, and a shower. And breakfast is included for that $20. Pretty nice. Good morning. We are off today to check out the monkey forest here, durian waterfall, and some more rice fields, even though we've overlooked them all night. So we're going to go check out some more. So let's go jump in the car. They're not far, they're only a couple of minutes drive one way, the other way. So we're sort of based ourselves in the middle. So it's not the best day, it's been raining here, overcast, but hot and humid, sweating. So let's go check out these monkeys. Lombok is just like Bali. Try to rip you off. But you know, that's how it goes. That's the fun. That's the joy of visiting other countries. these ones here are black monkeys and they're wild. So that's why they don't really come down chutes. Nothing like the ones in Ubud. These are wild. They don't feed them. They just roam this beautiful forest they've got growing here. That was pretty cool seeing all those monkeys. So now we're on to rice fields and waterfalls, and we'll be going for a swim because it's hot. We're just on our way to Durian Waterfalls. We've just completed the rice fields, now we're off to the waterfalls. More steps and they're so uneven, all different sizes, big ones, little ones. Yeah. But you can hear the waterfall. It's cold. It's freezing. Got it? I'm on a rock.
Yeah, so am I.
Here, together.
Someone just said it's refreshing. I don't call it refreshing, I call it bloody freezing.
Now you're in it, it's quite nice, but at first it's freezing. We've had a lot of rain. Well, that was beautiful. That was cool, lovely spot. calves are burning. The stairs are so huge. It's like 2 and 3 steps in one. But this spot was absolutely worth it. It was stunning. Oh, out of breath. Good morning. We are headed today to the Lombok Blue Lake. So it's about an hour and a half drive ahead of us, and we're sort of going west on the island. So we will see you when we get there.
An hour and a half drive, but it's, I think, 37 kilometres. So
the traffic here is nowhere near as bad as Bali, but it's more the roads. You can't go that fast. The road is so narrow, and it doesn't even seem like a road. It seems like we're in the middle of nowhere.
no, this isn't the road. We're gonna go that way.
That doesn't even look like a road. Okay, reverse back. Because you're not going to turn around, I don't think.
No.
There's no room to turn around. We are just rice fields all around us. It's very, very, very remote wherever we are. That is the road we're supposed to be on. Let's see how much in. Sorry, smaller. Holy moly. I'm a bit worried about this. Hello, do you speak English? No? Are we looking for Blue Lake? How do you get to Blue Lake? No? Okay. Doesn't speak English. We're very, very lost. Google Maps is directing us in the wrong direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to the main road and try and take another route, and hopefully it redirects us. We're going to try these guys and see if these guys know where the Blue Lake is. We're trying to get to the Blue Lake.
Yes.
How do we get there?
You can only get
Get
take a
to,
video.
pardon?
Yes, we only get
Blue Lake.
blue light.
Yes. Do we go that way? Because we just turned down up there and nowhere. If we keep going this way, will we get
Maybe you can just try. You just try and go right, okay?
go down here
Yes.
and follow this
Yes.
and turn right?
Yes, and turn right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is definitely an adventure to getting to the Blue Lake. Some of these roads, I wouldn't even call them roads. It's some's been a bit scary too. I've been scared anyway. We'll eventually get there. I think we've only got about 7 minutes to go.
4 minutes.
Oh, 4 minutes to go. We've just arrived finally. I'm about to get out of the car and it starts pouring rain. In a way, we're lucky that we're still in the car. So we've got a 4-minute walk now down to the Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lake.
Blue Lake. It's raining, we're going to run back for cover. We've arrived here and no one is around at all. It is just us out in the middle of nowhere, in the jungle, rice fields. There is nobody around. It's like this place is closed, but the lake is blue. Just got to hold on. All the rocks are slippery, all mossy. Let me show you from this angle. Well, it was pretty to see. The blue colour of the lake was beautiful, but in my opinion, for the time it took for us to drive here and the roads especially, it wasn't worth it. But look, I'm glad I've seen it. Tick it off. Done. So now we're heading to the waterfalls. The waterfalls we are heading to are Benang Kelambu and Benang Stokul. So we've got, it's about probably an hour or so drive back to them and we will be there. Oh, it's so hard to read these Google Maps. It keeps saying we're on the road but we're not, so we're going the wrong way, and then they're so narrow we can't turn around. But you know, that's what makes it fun. The true adventure style.
How much can we get out?
That's probably about it. We've arrived at these waterfalls and it's pouring rain. Had to buy ourselves these beautiful ponchos. So we just got to get our tickets and then we're going to walk.
More bloody steps. And we've got to walk back up.
over all the waterfalls, absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to cheat. You can actually take motorbikes back to the entry, so we're actually going to do that. I think we deserve to do that. So come on, let's jump on a bike.
Now the bike trek home.
Thank you very much. Well, that was definitely worth the 100,000. 100,000 is about $10. It's actually less than $10 because it's about 11,000 rupiah to $1. So we work on 10 to 1. So that was about 10 bucks, and that was definitely worth it. Saved us half an hour walking and up and down stairs. So thank you to those guys. So now we're going to have something to eat.
I don't think we were supposed to go that way.
What, we've gone the wrong way?
No, we've gone the right way, but I don't think it's meant for a car. Back on the road. Take it out of four-wheel drive, take it out of high range now.
Thank God we're back on the road, because that was a bit iffy, that. Very iffy. I didn't think we were going to make that. I really didn't. Oh, the joys. For lunch we've ordered satay chicken and nasi goreng. Good morning. We are back on the road heading to another town village. We are heading to Senggigi, up to the northern part of Lombok today. So it's about an hour and 45 minutes drive to our first stop, which will be it's a lookout looking over the rice fields with the mountains in the back. I can't think of the name. It's Benang something. Anyway, I'll put it up here what it actually is. But it's supposed to be pretty spectacular. So I'm looking forward to getting there today. It has been pouring rain all night constantly, and that music they play, their prayer meditation music, has kept us up all night. So we're a little bit tired today. So hopefully this next place we're staying at, not quite sure where just yet, but hopefully they don't have this blaring all night. It just goes constantly. We've just stopped the car because we can hardly see in front of us, and this last part of the road is so windy. So we're just going to sit here 5 or 10 minutes and just see, because it's raining as well as the fog. Just safety, because we don't know the road at all. Well, we're at the rice fields or the viewpoint, but we won't be doing it today. It is pouring rain. It hasn't stopped. I thought it might have cleared. So what we're going to keep moving on So what I'll do is I'll put a few photos up what we would have seen if we had better weather, because it is pretty nice. So we will move on to our next destination. This is their daily market. Every morning they do this. They all come to get all their fresh fruit and veg.
Mind you, the main road in.
We weren't concentrating on what we were supposed to be doing. We went the wrong way. We're too busy looking at the sightseeing. We went the wrong way.
Trying to get out of chaos.
On our way to Senggigi, and we've just found more markets. This is the first time we've seen the coast in Lombok. We're up the northern top of Lombok Island, and the sea is not all that great today because it's the weather. We're having wild weather here. Brown sea, and we've got black sand. There's a black sand beach. Let's go have a look. Sorry about the noise. It'll be blowing 25 to 30 knots here. We are actually on Patangmang Beach. Not sure if I said that right. And we have black sand. Wild weather. Black sand. Different to home. Wow, we want to be out in the ocean today. Another black beach. All up the northern end, or the northern point of Lombok is black beaches. Good morning. We are just going for a drive around Senggigi to see what there is to do here. There's not a lot to do here. It's just really a coastal town, beaches and, you know, things like that. So we're just going to have a quick drive. I think there's a Hindu temple that we're going to see. Hopefully some coconut palm forests, and just a drive in general. This is the main boat harbour on Lombok. Here the boats go to any of the Gili Isles, they go to Bali. So this is where they're all located. Streets of Senggigi just to see some of the local homes and streets. Hello! Walking through the local village.
Hey.
Oh, nice. Welcome.
Maybe we just thought we'd walk through the village.
Where do you stay?
We just got clear out that way.
Which area?
Oh, I don't know which area, just
Sing-
Senggigi, I thought.
Oh, okay.
But
But I'm so excited you guys just come to my village, you know. I'm just,
oh, we just thought we'd
yeah,
park
this
the
is,
car.
for me, it's like I have a good dream last night.
Yeah.
We just like to see.
Yeah, it's good. It's
Yeah.
good. I'm saying to all my friends, you know,
Yeah.
you come to Indonesia, it's not about to visit the tourism like Gili Tea, Gili Mel, Gili Airs. You have to
Yeah.
come to the village to see how the
Oh,
culture.
we love that sort of stuff.
Yeah, it's
but
good.
We
Yeah.
felt a bit awful
Especially
just
my friend,
walking
like, I live here. This is my village called Kecinan.
Kachinan.
Kecinan.
Kachinan.
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 Kecinan. You wanna come with me?
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
go here. Yeah.
I'm become your guide now.
Okay.
Just going for a walk with one of the local guys.
I will get my clothes.
Okay.
Get your clothes.
Well, that's it for another week. We're going to leave this episode here.
So join us next week and we'll show you the other half of Lombok and what we have installed.
Lombok has been a great island, so much to see, really, really pretty, but so spread out.
Oh, it's been a mission, Google Maps, I tell you.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and look, leave your comments below. And we will see you next week in Lombok. Bye.
See you next week.